Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Rocky Linux 10. By default we will get the Mozilla Firefox as the default web browser. But if you want to install Google Chrome, open the default web browser, then go to Google or any search engine, search for download Google Chrome. Then click on this first link, that is first on secure web browser. Click on download Chrome. Then select RPM for Rocky Linux. Then click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 114 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. We have to install this one, sudo rpm -ivh nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we got the failed error, but it is already installed. Go to applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox. And if you want to send usage statistics and class reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. It is all up to you. Then click on OK. See, you got the Google Chrome. Okay. Now go to terminal, ls, remove this one. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest version on Rocky Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.